I'm Kaustubh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw class diagram using tool IBM Rational. Make sure that IBM Rational is installed in your system. In search path, type Rational and select Rational Rhapsody Modeler. In this, select option New Project. Give an appropriate name. For this tutorial, I'm going to create class diagram for an hypothetical online shopping system. So I will give name online shopping. It is asking you to create. Say yes. This is your drawing area. This is the area where your elements are located. So let's begin. Select class. So for online shopping system, let's add class buyer. Here we need to add an attribute. Just right click, add new attribute, say username. Its type is string and let its length be 15. Let's add new attribute, say email ID, which is again string, and its length limit is say 20. Again, add attribute. Let's give name first name, type string, limit 15. New attribute last name, type string, length 15. Let's add shipping address, attribute to be shipping address. Its type is string, and let's keep limit 30. Now you can also resize by dragging this arrow. Now we will add operation. So first operation, let's say to register. Then another operation, say to log in. Then to search product. Then to make payment. Then I've added an attribute which I didn't wish to add, so let's remove it. In order to remove it, just double click buyer, go to the attribute tab, select the attribute which you want to remove and delete it. It will be removed. We can add one more function to log out. So this is an example of the buyer class. You can add more attributes as well as more operations to it. Let's add one more class here, say product. Let's add attribute, product ID, of the type string, and let's limit be 20. Let's add one more. Product name, type is string, and again length is 20. We can add attribute price, type be float, the limit be say 10,000. New attribute quantity, type be integer, and let's say its limit is again 10,000. Let's give some operations to it. So first operation, say to view product. Then to compare product. And likewise. In this fashion, you can create as many class diagrams as you want. Now, if you want to change the border of this class, simply right click, click format. In the line, you can select color which you want. In this case, suppose I'm selecting red. If you want to change the width, we can make it 0.2 and click OK. And you can see the color of the border is changed. In the same way, if you want to fill the color, just right click, format, fill. You can select the color which you want and OK. In this way, you can create the class diagram. So in this class diagram, I have shown you only two classes, but by using same elements, you can create even bigger class diagram. So here is an example for full-blown class diagram. So here you can see we are having classes like buyer, sellers, wish list, shopping carts, orders, advertisement, digital magazines, etc. Now, if you want to save this class diagram, just click save, because you have already given a name at the very start, at the very beginning of the project. It will be saved with the same name. Also, there is an option for save as if you want to save it by using different name. If you want to save it as an image, just right click in the screen and select export diagram image. Here you can save it in bitmap and JPEG format. So let's give some name, online shopping. It is being saved in my documents. Save. And this is how it will be saved. Thanks for watching.